these are actually my tips, or let's say dito, ito yung mga ginawa ko guys, kung paano nga ba makapag-reach out ng mga customer o Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, pag-uusapan natin guys ang marketing side ng isang negosyo. I've been there. I have so many questions guys kung paano ko nga ba ma-promote yung business ko, kung paano ko nga ba ma-introduce yung products ko, kung ano ba yung mga dapat kong gagawin para makilala ng mga tao or yung target audience ko yung aking mga produkto na binibenta guys. And these are actually my tips, or let's say dito, ito yung mga ginawa ko guys kung paano nga ba makapag-reach out ng mga customer o paano ko ma-present yung product ko sa aking mga customers guys. So if you are new here, hi, my name is Val and I am a mom entrepreneur. Sa aking channel na pag-uusapan dito ay tungkol sa mga negosyo tips, business ideas, and creative ways on how to do business guys. And most of the videos here, or most of my tips guys that I'm sharing in my channel are based on my experience. And just a disclaimer, I am not a pro, I'm not professional, I'm not a coach. I'm just someone who is starting also a business like you guys, that I'm sharing my knowledge, I'm sharing my experiences. So, hopefully, since you're new here, sana makakuha kayo ng bagong idea at bagong tip na naman sa ating video for today. And siguro na naninibago din kayo sa aking lipstick. Yes, I know, medyo red na red siya guys. And that is because nawala ko kasi yung favorite na lipstick ko. Kaya tiis-tis muna tayo sa lipstick to guys. And I want to know if gusto nyo yung lipstick ko guys. Pero hindi kasi ako masyadong mahilig sa mga medyo red. Kasi parang mas tumatanda ako. Hindi ko alam. Parang matanda ako tignan sa ganitong shade ng lipstick. Pero I wanna hear your thought if you like it in the comment section below guys. Okay. So moving on to our topic for today. So, when it comes to marketing guys or promoting my products, meron kasi akong tinatawag na checklist or best practices guys. Meaning, in order for me to say that I have done really good in marketing is I have a checklist of my best practices, or I have my checklist of what I should do in order for me to gain more customers, in order for me to gain or to have customers sa shop ko. By the way, if hindi nyo pa alam guys, or bago pa lang kayo dito, ako ay merong physical shop at nagbebenta ako ng snacks na malapit sa isang malaking university dito sa Cebu City. So my tips here are applicable for merong physical shop at for those who are having an online business. So let's move on to my tip number 1. So, maliit na yung tindahan ko guys, okay? It's not that big. It's just a small one. Pero, I like it. I love my shop guys. So, yun nga. Meron akong checklist. So, yung unang-unang checklist ko dyan is, chine-check ko guys, yung menu board ko. So, when we say menu board guys, is yung listahan or kumbaga guide ng mga customers when it comes to my products. Doon sila tumitingin guys sa menu board ko guys kung ano yung gusto nilang bilhin. So, I actually have a tips for that on how you can create, or meron kasing kumbaga strategy when it comes to menu board guys. So, I have created a separate video of that. You might want to check it here. You can check it later on. I have a guide on how you can get some tips on how you can create your menu board. Then, once I have set up my menu board guys so next on my checklist guys is yung tarpaulin sa labas ng shop ko. What does it mean guys? Meaning, naglalagay ako ng tarpaulin kung ano yung binebenta ko guys, kasi yung purpose nun is para sa mga taong bypassers ng lugar na yon. So, when someone bypass and see my menu or see that tarpaulin guys, at least meron silang idea kung anong klaseng food yung ino-offer ko at magkano yung food na ino-offer ko guys. So even if yung first time nilang nakita is hindi mo na sila bibili, Pero at least, meron silang idea guys kung saan sila bibili at magkano yung binebenta ko. So, for the next time they think of buying snacks, they would also be considering my shop kasi nakita na nila kasi yung products ko. Nakita na nila kung magkano yung binebenta ko. By the way guys, in creating a tarpaulin, you need to be more creative. And one tip ko dyan is to have a picture of your products. Pinakita ko kasi yung images ng burger ko at saka images ng shakes ko. So, at least, kumbaga, kung nakita nila yung photo na yun guys, tatatak sa isipan nila na every time na dadaan sila, parang matetempt sila na gusto nilang bumili din. So, it's like a psychological reason or psychological way on how you can promote your product by showing a photo or image of your products para mas maging tempted pa sila. Now, for an online naman guys, or online tips ko guys in promoting or in marketing, one, I join multiple groups guys. So, I join multiple food groups ha, hindi yung multiple groups na kung ano-ano na kind of group. It has to be specific. So, when it comes to what type of product you are selling, so let's say ready to wear or mga t-shirts, so doon kayo sa mga groups na buy and sell for mga t-shirts and etc. guys. Pero kasi sa akin, food related or food category kasi yung binebenta ko, so doon ako sasali sa mga groups na food related. And then, after a month, i-evaluate ko yung mga groups na nagbigay talaga ng magandang results for me. Meaning, i-evaluate ko yung mga groups, guys, na sino yung mostly umu-order sa akin. Galing saang group sila nakakita ng post ko. After kong na-evaluate, after a month, guys, or 2 months, nag-stick ako sa 3 groups kasi yung 3 groups na yun guys, mas marami yung bumibili sa akin whenever nagpo-post ako doon. So, the first one is by testing kung anong groups ba yung magbibigay sa'yo ng results. So, join ka as many food groups that you like guys. And then, after a month, i-evaluate nyo kung saan mga ba mas nagbibigay ng resulta. And then, mag-stick kayo sa ganong groups. By doing this, you have to create a schedule guys in posting. So for me, noon, everyday akong nagpo-post guys, and then I usually post like around an hour before yung opening ng shop ko kasi at least before nag-open yung shop ko, may kumbaga pre-promo na o pre-promotional way of showing my products before the opening of the shop. So, yun yung purpose ko. So, create your own schedule posting. It can be every day or it can be every other day. So, it depends on you guys kung whichever works for you. Okay? Now that we have tips for the bypassers, so we have already tips for online guys. Next is magmo-move on o magmo-move tayo sa mga walk-ins. So, let's say meron ng walk-ins, meron ng bibili sa akin ng product guys. And the next thing that I'll be doing or the next thing in my checklist guys is by what I'm doing is I'm providing loyalty cards. Loyalty cards guys really works well for me kasi kumbaga it keeps those customers coming back. Yung loyalty ko, it comes with every 4th purchase nila, meron silang 10% off. And then by the end, on their 10th purchase na guys, yung 11 is makakakuha na sila ng for free. So, it's not that they have to wait for the 10th purchase before they get it. But what I do guys, every 4th purchase, meron na silang 10% off. So, they have to, para kumaga naglo-look forward sila ng discount and you are giving them out through a loyalty cards. And again, if you want, if gusto nyong magkaroon ng tip kung paano gawin yung loyalty cards, guys, I think I created a video for that and I will be putting here or linking in the description box below. Then, aside from that, guys, is I offer or provide a thank you card. So, ano nga ba yung thank you card, guys? So, thank you card, it just says na nagpapasalamat ako for purchasing my products. And then it comes with inviting them to like my Facebook page, to follow my Facebook page. So at least in the future guys, when I'm creating any promotion or nagpo-provide ako sa kanila ng mga bagong product, at least kung naka-follow na sila sa aking Facebook page, it will pop up on their news feed, and then they have idea na oh okay, mayroon palang bagong product, na pupunta sila sa shop at magpo-purchase nung product na nirelease ko that they have seen online guys. So it's a way of free marketing by providing those 2 loyalty card, and then second is thank you card. The third that I'm also providing for those who are walk-ins is by giving out flyers. So what does it mean guys? Giving out of flyers, not flyers na nagbibigay ako na, hey, meron akong binibentang burger dito, ganyan. Yung ginagawa ko guys is, nag-print out ako ng a piece of paper. It's also like a menu list. Nilagay ko doon yung same thing ng kung ano yung pinost ko sa outside ng shop ko. So, yung ginagawa ko guys, nagpiprint out ako ng menu list, and then ilalagay ko sa mga nagwo-walk-ins or bibigay ko sa mga nagwo-walk-ins. So, in the future guys, when they're offline or maybe not online, at least they have idea or they have a copy of that. I actually copied this tip guys, or this strategy from one of the favorite a local pizza that we are ordering here in Cebu City, and that is di ko na sasabihin. Pero yung ginagawa kasi nila guys, kapag nag-order ka ng pizza, whether walk-in ka or delivery guys, meron talaga silang pinoprovide na menu list. At dun din ako nakakuha ng idea na gayahin ko yung ganito. Kasi yung ginagawa namin kapag nare-receive namin yung menu list guys, yung updated menu list, kasi nilalagay, minamagnet namin sa ref. So, if I do that as well guys, siguro napapaisip ako na sana i-magnet din nila ito sa kanilang ref, no? So kapag na-magnet nila yan sa ref and they felt hungry or they think of ordering something, at least when they check their ref, open their ref, makikita nila yung flyer na nabigay ko, yung menu list na nabigay ko, and mag-order sila sa akin. Who knows, diba? So, my menu list consists of the address where our shop is located, and I also included our Facebook page, so they decided to order it through online guys, so they know where to order. So, those are my tips guys on my checklist of best practices in applying my own marketing guys. And hopefully, nagkaroon kayo ng bagong idea, nagkaroon kayo ng new knowledge of how I do it guys. So, with this strategy, it helps. It helps talaga guys. Small steps nga lang, pero it has a big impact in promoting your business. I'm not saying that you have to follow, but I'm just saying that these are the things that is on my checklist, and I have been practicing it, and it gives me good result talaga. So that's it for now guys. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video, and don't forget to follow our social media accounts from here, and I will see you on our next video. Bye guys!